a big verdict from Gujarat and Himachal Pradesh. Gujarat's voters have given their verdict loud and clear. Narendra Modi is the undisputed king of Gujarat. The BJP has 116 seats, one less than its 2007 tally, just short of two-thirds majority. The landslide win has come as a big boost for Modi's Delhi dreams. The clamour within the party for Modi as prime ministerial candidate is getting louder. BJP spokesperson Tarun Vijay even said Modi's Gujarat development model makes him the greatest leader after Vajpayee and that he is most suited for the Prime Minister's post. This is the Congress's sixth consecutive loss. Many of its leaders have been routed. State Party Chief Arjun Modwadia and Leader of Opposition in the Gujarat Assembly Shakti Singh Gohil are among those who have lost. BJP rebel Keshubhai Patel's Gujarat Parivartan Party has failed miserably. His party wins just 2 seats. The silver lining for the Congress, it has won comfortably in Himachal Pradesh.
At the very outset, it was touted as an unequal fight. The longest-serving Chief Minister reaffirming an obvious victory by sweeping Maninagar with 70,551 votes.
Only factor in the Gujarat which has played, that is the Narendra Modi. The Narendra Modi factor because of his determination, devotion and the dedication, the way in which he has delivered the thing. And the one factor I can say in a one word, that is only the Vikas.
Modi giving a knockout punch to political novice and Congress candidate Shweta Bhatt, wife of known Modi baiter Sanjeev Bhatt. Narendra Modi once again proving that he is a force to reckon with.
Since everybody seems to set the bar very high in Indian politics from Mr. Modi, let me say this, that he will also rise above all the expectations and create history yet again in Gujarat.
And just minutes after Modi registered his hat-trick in Maninagar, the state BJP breaking out into celebrations. He has once again achieved a thumping victory at his home ground. And now Narendra Modi is already eyeing a bigger role in national politics. Bureau Report, Times Now.
Keshubhai Patel, who actually broke away from the BJP to form the Gujarat Parivartan Party, has done very, very badly. But these pictures have come in of Mr. Modi going to meet him and offering him sweets. Just a few minutes ago, Mr. Modi actually going and driving down to Mr. Keshubhai Patel's residence there. These are the latest pictures that have come in from that meeting, both of them exchanging sweets. Mr. Keshubhai Patel later told the media that Mr. Modi had come to greet him and that he had done that after the last election as well. So both of them feeding each other sweets. A rather interesting picture there after a bitterly fought election campaign with Mr. Keshubhai Patel not making any inroads at all into the BJP's vote base. Well, just before his meeting with Keshubhai Patel, the first person that Mr. Narendra Modi visited, and many would say rightly so, was his mother. She, of course, was very proud of her son's third straight victory in the state of Gujarat, and Mr. Modi there was hounded by the media. This was his first appearance today after that election win, going there to meet his mother just a little while ago in Ahmedabad. The Chief Minister of Gujarat will actually be going across to the party headquarters in about an hour from now. That's when we are expecting him to go across to the BJP headquarters and address party workers.
सारे देश के पॉलिटिकल पंडित जब आज गुजरात की चर्चा कर रहे हैं, तो नरेंद्र मोदी की जितनी चर्चा करनी है करें, सालों से करते आए, आगे भी करते रहे। लेकिन अगर आज चर्चा करनी है और आज का कोई हीरो है तो मेरे 6 करोड़ गुजराती है। अगर चर्चा करनी है तो उनकी कीजिए, यश देना है तो उनको दीजिए, और कुछ सीखना सिखाना है तो मेरे गुजरात के मतदाताओं से सीखिए। भाइयों बहनों, इस चुनाव में इस देश के सामने हमने एक मिसाल कायम की है, और वो मिसाल ये है, हमारे देश में एक मान्यता थी कि गुड इकोनॉमिक्स इज ए बैड पॉलिटिक्स। सुशासन, डेवलपमेंट, आर्थिक विकास, ये चीजें हमारे देश की राजनीति को सूट नहीं करती है। भाइयों बहनों, मुझे आज गर्व हो रहा है कि मेरे गुजरात के मतदाताओं ने ये सिद्ध कर दिया कि देश की जनता गुड गवर्नेंस और डेवलपमेंट ये अगर जमीन पे दिखाई दे तो जनता बाकी सब बातों से ऊपर उठ करके उचित फैसला करती है और गुजरात की जनता ने वो फैसला किया है।
Incredible celebrations, in fact, near the home of Veerbhadra Singh, who is a 5-time Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh. Speculation that he could have a 6th term as Chief Minister as well. Meanwhile, Sonia Gandhi spoke to my colleague Sunil Prabhu just a little while earlier. She was happy and smiling as far as the Himachal Pradesh result was concerned. Sonia Gandhi telling Sunil that she was happy with Himachal, not really commenting on the Gujarat result until there were more details on just why the Congress did the way that it did.